All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Air quality out there has been kind of a springboard at times, leaping up there. Some of the highest amounts of pollution in the lower atmosphere were found in South Dakota and parts of central and southern Minnesota earlier today. But now we're starting to see all areas recede to the moderate area in yellow that you see there. Remember, there's no data that's regularly measured there in the blank part of the map. That doesn't necessarily mean things are all clear there. Here's a look at your current conditions. 81 degrees at Hector. Wind gusting from the south-southeast over 20 miles per hour and dew points in the 40s. Now, when we have dew points in the 40s, that's pretty dry air. So this surface air doesn't have a lot of moisture in it to work with. If we get rain, it won't be very much usually when we have dew points in the 40s. And the cloud bases are awful high off the ground. Now, we do have a little bit more moisture in the air with dew points higher. Dew point is a temperature, but the higher the dew point is, the more water there is available in the air to create things like raindrops or clouds. Here's a look at your current temperatures in your hometown looking up north. 73 in Thief River, a lot cooler in Moore Road, 57 there. 72s for Walhalla and Cavalier, 65 in Devils Lake. Looking in the Southern Valley, we're still 81 in Fargo, 77 Moorhead. Gwinner, 72 is the winner, with 73 in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. All right, a few thin clouds out there. Look at this. We got clouds moving this way, clouds moving that way. What's going on? Well, those lower clouds near the surface and those south winds that we just told you about, you can see them little pimples forming here. Those are cumulus clouds, and there'll be a possibility for one of these, two of these to produce some showers as we head into the evening. Notice that the most abundant clouds are in the same area. We saw dew points that were a little bit higher. Oh, and this white stuff you see up here, some of that smoke that we've been seeing kind of limit our visibility of the sky throughout the day. Now, a big weather system to the north, and this cool front is a thing that will really begin to change our weather as we head through the middle of your week. But here's what you need to know for tonight. Our forecast model continues to paint little green blips here and there. As we go through the overnight hours, we could hear a rumble of thunder passing here or there. Most of us will stay quiet. The best chance will be in east central portions of North Dakota here between, say, around Interstate 94 and Highway 2 and off into Lakes Country. Nothing too substantial. There's 60s to get you out the door in the morning. Then heading into your afternoon, the heat is on. Look at the south wind here, but here comes the cool front. Notice a shift in the winds, and that actually creates an area of convergence in the lower atmosphere, and that's a good springboard for some areas of showers and thunder showers rumbling around. Again, we don't have a boatload of moisture, so I don't anticipate a lot of severe weather with this, but some brief heavy showers possible. Best chance in the eastern third of North Dakota into Lakes Country. This dives south late in the day, and it gets gusty from the east and northeast late. It'll be significantly cooler for our northern neighbors in your afternoon. So in Fargo, 63 to start. It will stay hot in the southern one half of our viewing area in the upper 80s to low 90s. 92 in Fargo tomorrow. A chance of showers and storms, most abundant after the dinner hour. Kelly, thanks a lot for your sunny shot here. Again, all the particulate matter in the atmosphere bending those gorgeous colors towards our eyes, including oranges, reds, and more reds. All right, here's a look at your planning forecast. Look at the big cool down after that cool front makes its way through. We lose about 20 degrees on a breezy midweek day. We will have a morning chance of showers, mainly in the far south. And then we rebound as winds become southerly. We'll see a couple of thundered shower chances heading into the late week and weekend as temperatures kiss 90 degrees. Make sure you have your sunscreen on. As we head into the weekend, it looks hot as well. Saturday and Sunday, both in the 80s, near 90 on Sunday. And then for your Memorial Day, a beautiful day for remembrance. 84 degrees, staying in the 80s through midweek next week. All in all, not a bad forecast out there. We have really just jumped right into summer.
Yeah.